Okay, so hi dear Gemini, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Second thing, the roles can be reversed also, and if this is not reading, this is not resonating with you, it's not your story. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing the masterclass. Link is description box. Link is in description box. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can book your slots. If you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsannyasini@gmail.com. Okay. The previous mail is not working, by the way. Cool. Let's see. Gemini, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Seven of Swords. Someone is feeling like you're sneaking away from the situation, or there's something deceptive going on in the situation right now at this present moment. Seven of Swords is deceptive energy, okay? But finally, truth coming out to light, that kind of energy. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords as their feelings for you. We have the Magician, the Wheel of Fortune, the Temperance. Yes, this is someone who is manifesting this energy of clarity, understanding, and truth coming out, and they feel like slowly but surely in the situation with patience, everything is going to be healed. Even if they are the one who messed up, even if you are the one who messed up. So this person is feeling like manifesting this energy of having some kind of secret coming out, and everything is getting healed between you and them eventually. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Five of Swords. So from your side, you are feeling like you are continuously in some kind of mental stress because of this situation. Mental chatter is going on in the background. You can't stop thinking about this situation, and it's giving you a very negative kind of vibe. Let's clarify the Five of Swords here. We have the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Empress. The lack of communication or some kind of miscommunication between you guys is giving you a lot of stressful energies, and you feel like there is still a potential of growth and expansion in the situation, but again, the lack of communication or the miscommunication happening is kind of stressing the hell out of you right now in the situation. Okay, you're trying to figure it out, you are trying to figure out the way to sort it out with each other, but not able to do that. Okay, stressful energies. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Hermit card. This person wants to think about the situation long and hard enough to understand what exactly is going to happen next in the situation. So basically, this person wants to use all their wisdom and knowledge and experience to understand the situation better, but they don't want to talk about it a lot, or they don't want to reveal too much about it. Let's clarify the Hermit here as their intention. We have the King of Swords and the Knight of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. Yes. See, before coming back towards you, or before connecting with you or reconnecting with you, this person wants to think about all the pros and cons and everything about the future direction of the situation with all of their heart and soul. But right now, they want to give you this detached kind of energy of maybe not interested. This is not like that. It's not like they're not interested. It's like they want time, and they want to sit with themselves, and they want to understand all the pros and cons and everything about the situation before they are going to say or do something in this direction. Seriously, this is what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? What are your intentions here? Page of Cups. Your intention here is to keep your heart open, or have this energy of message communication and or apology or something like that, but you just want to keep your heart open in this direction. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Cups here. We have the Devil, the Seven of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles. So there was definitely a third party involvement in the situation, whether it was from your side or from their side. So you want to talk to this person about that deceptive energies, about that toxicity, negativity, third party involvement in the situation, and sort it out with this person like a mature adult. If you are the one who messed up, you want to apologize, you want to open up to this person, you want to clear the air with them and settle things with them. If they are the one who messed up, you are ready to listen to their side of the story, and you are ready to settle it down with them with all of your heart and soul. If you were not ready before, now you're ready to listen and sort it out with them. This is what I'm getting in this energy between you and this person. Hmm. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 19th of January, honey, Gemini, in the situation. We have the Four of Swords in reverse, restlessness. This energy of what next, what next, what next. Lack of healing, you can say. Hmm. Let me clarify the Four of Swords in reverse. Get the clear picture here. We have the Ace of Swords, the Hermit, and the Ace of Wands. Yeah. Someone is coming forward towards you to have clarity, truthfulness, honesty in the situation. Someone who is not speaking up or saying much about the situation will finally speak up, and there are good chances of having a brand new beginning in the situation. But at the same time, a lot of restlessness, a lot of this energy of what next, what next, what next. Wow, is going to ruin the essence of the situation. So even if you guys are sorting it out with each other, and you guys are going to be maybe in this forgiveness kind of energy with each other, this is going to give you a restlessness kind of energy, because still something is not sorted the way it should be sorted. But I do see a brand new beginning, though, if you take it positively. The guidance here is the Two of Cups. Yeah, see, the thing is, if you're not able to connect with this person with all of your heart and soul, don't don't force yourself to do that. Take your time, heal yourself properly, understand your energies properly. But if you're feeling that you are so much in love with this person that you can sort it down with them, please do that with all of your heart and soul. Don't do anything if you are not feeling like doing it. Okay, connect with your heart, and if your heart is telling you to connect with this person and sort it out with them, do that. But if your heart is telling you to take more time and understand your energies better, do that. Okay, otherwise this restlessness, this impatience is going to give you a tougher kind of energy to deal with in the later part. So please listen to your heart, because this is a matter of your heart and soul, and do whatever you feel is right for you according to your heart and soul, not according to what this person is saying or what others are saying. Or don't pressurize yourself. Okay, if you're not feeling like doing it, don't do it. Take your time. Okay, no rush. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.